Earnings season rolls on this week with more tradable opportunities to come. We're going to get reports from the likes of LYFT, AMC coming this week. Apes, get ready. Lucid, Oxy from the energy group, Upstart, Disney, Roblox, to name a few. More tradable inflation data to come as well. We get October CPI coming out on Thursday morning. It's your week ahead preview right now. The week kicks off with a bang with a much anticipated and much awaited earnings report. Monday pre-market. Yep, it's Palantir time. Earnings to come before the market opens. The retail favorite will be in focus with most analysts set once again to be keyed in on U.S. commercial business and free cash flow numbers that come through. Estimates for the quarter are looking for 2 cents per share on the profit side. More notable names then set to report after the market closes on Monday as well. TTWO and the big one, LYFT. LYFT coming off better than expected Q3 results. We also got Uber last week that came through with better than expected results. All eyes will be on LYFT coming up after the close. According to Zacks Equity Research, estimates have been revised upwards 33.3% over the past 90 days for LYFT. They're expected to report 8 cents per share EPS for their report. Tuesday earnings will be back in focus. We get a ton coming through in the pre-market from the likes of Ride, Lordstown, NCLH, back to the travel group. Norwegian will report. Ocugen, one-time retail favorite. OCGN coming to market. WKHS as well. More from the EV group with Workhorse. Let's focus on aftermarket, however. AMC set to report earnings after the close. The stock did hit a fresh 52-week low, however, last week, and has not looked back since. In another blow to sentiment, the company's highly publicized investment in gold mining firm Hycroft was in focus recently after the company received a minimum bid violation notice from the NASDAQ as well. With Lucid, LCID, Bitcoin miner Mara set to report from the energy group Oxy, OXY, Plug Power as well, Upstart, and Disney, a notable name, all going to report Tuesday. Let's go on to Wednesday. Pre-market will be in focus with more earnings from the likes of Roblox set to come across the wire. Most analysts are expecting an earnings miss once again for the latest quarter. The company recently, however, did report better than expected bookings for the month of September. We'll watch Roblox before things get going on Wednesday. After the market closes, then another full slate of earnings names. Beyond Meat. Yeah, time for BYND. Bumble, GoEV, Wish, Coupang, CPNG. We only talk about some of these during earnings. Those are a few. GovX. It's monkeypox reporting time. MFC from the financial group. More from the EV group with Rivian set to report, and Unity, another Cathie Wood name, all going to report earnings. Let's focus on Rivian for a second here. They've put in an impressive bounce of late after once again doubling down on production targets for the remainder of this year and the first half of next year. Beyond as well, also back in the spotlight. More layoffs announced recently. Most analysts expecting another quarterly loss from the company. EPS expected to come in negative $1.27 for BYND. Thursday going to be all about economic data and inflation specifically. We'll get October CPI numbers hitting the wire at 8:30 Thursday morning. 0.8% on the month-over-month forecast right now from Nowcast. We're also looking at 0.5 on the year-over-year number, and ongoing clip expected to come for CPI. Thursday pre-market earnings trading opportunities could come from the EV group once again, and I'm talking overnight. NIO, Chinese EV maker, set to report earnings before the market gets going on Thursday. Reopening hopes and positivity generally coming from China lately have helped some of these names. We'll look at NIO earnings Thursday morning. Let's go on to Friday. Friday's set to be a light session on the economic side of things and on the earnings side of things. There is one notable economic release coming at 10 a.m. on Friday morning. That'll be the University of Michigan sentiment numbers that can move the market. More earnings then, once again. Yep, we're back to the EV group. It's Polestar time this time. Pre-market on Friday, PSNY set to come with earnings. Last week, the company announced major shareholder Volvo came through with another $1.6 billion in financing. The stock's still down more than 40% on the year. Pretty ugly for PSNY. As always, guys, we are live daily, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Start your day off with the watch list. Make sure you hit that QR code on screen, enter your email address, and then come join us live again daily on TraderTV.Live.